Hi, this is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, also WRTI 407, and for today's video, this is installment number 2 of the Wouxun KG-935 Golf Operator Series. Now, when it comes to all of the things we're going to talk about in this series, it's often a challenge. What's the first thing I should cover? And logically, it should be the very first thing I do on every HT I've ever owned up to this point, and that number is now 53. And that is, as soon as I charge it up and pull it out and start playing around with it, the very first thing I encounter on every radio, let's go ahead and turn this on. So I'll get in there and start bouncing around, and right away, that's what you hear, the stupid beep. It's the first thing I get rid of on every radio, and it's the first thing I want to know. So the first thing I want to know in this case is, how do I turn that damn beep off? So to do that, we want to press the menu key, and then from there, so it would almost be cruel if I actually went through all of these, because we're going to go to selection number 29. So I can also just press 29 and go straight to it, and rather than having to cycle through and hear 28 beeps. But in this case, I go to selection number 29, beep, and I press the menu key again, and I have two selections, on or off, and off is definitely what I want to do. So I press menu again, I press exit, and now the beep is gone. So with that, I will bring it to a close. Thank you for watching and or listening. This is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, also WRTI 407 in Visalia, California. Have a wonderful day.